Hello friends, welcome to another episode. My name is Candace. I am the owner and creator at Marquee Soaps, and today we are making a Harry Potter inspired soap. So let's go ahead and get our oils, butters, and additives mixed together, add in our lye, and then we'll chat about the soap. So this soap stumped everyone. This is part of the embeds that I made a while back. This we are using the white cat embed. I tried to make two other cats, but if you saw that video, you will remember that mold was not working properly and is no longer part of our stock or our supplies. We trashed the mold. I don't know what was wrong with it, but it didn't close properly after the first time. So I'm doing a little accent color here. So this soap is based on Professor Delores Umbridge, the most hated person in the magic world, and her office in Hogwarts had a wall full of plates with meowing cats. So I am doing her dress and with a cat in the middle of it. So we're using Hollywood pink, with a touch of black iron oxide. You should always open these jars before you have gloves on. There we go. The fragrance I am using is one that it's called Sugared Strawberry. So I've used Sugared Strawberry for a while in my wax melt. It is my favorite scented wax melt ever. I have never used it in soap. We will see what happens. I have seen some other soap makers use it and it misbehaves, but I am hoping I can avoid that. Let's grab our mold. So let's grab our mold. We should probably add in our fragrance first, eh? So I think I'm just going to add it into the pink because there's not a whole lot of black. It smells so good though. It's a shame if this doesn't behave well. So her dress is mainly pink and it has some kind of rigid stripes of black. So we don't do layers very much around here. We're not very good at it. Really, we're not very patient for it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do a drop swirl of black. Mix this in just a tiny bit. So I'm just going to kind of do that and call it good. Now let's start to pour. So I'm going to stop about halfway and I'm going to drop in the cat. Hope it doesn't sink to the bottom. I don't think it will, but it might try to go. There we go. It's trying to go on its side. We don't want that. right, we'll scrape this out, and then I'm just gonna do a little texturing on the top, but I will show you that in just a minute. So I kind of grabbed the first thing I could find and do some texture on top, and it's this cake tool. And we'll just do something like that, and maybe we'll turn it around and do it the other way too. Okay, so I don't want to mess with it too much. So that looks good. To add glitter or not to add glitter? She does like pink, and I feel like she's a sparkly person, so we're gonna go with some hollow glitter. And this comes out fast. Oh, that looks good. All right, I'll spray it with some rubbing alcohol, and I'll see you in a couple days to cut into it. Welcome back, friends. So let's go ahead and unmold and get this soap cut up. I'm excited to see what that cat in mold looks like. So I will let you know that I have finally purchased some new lighting and a new stand for my camera. So soon, hopefully the videos will improve a bit. So here's what it looks like right now. Am I getting the Delores Umbridge look? I'm not sure, but it's still cute. And it smells very good. A lot of that initial the strawberry scent has mellowed out a bit, and it's just a nice and pretty, not really mild, but kind of mild scent. It's very nice. So if this soap is something that you might be interested in, it will be available on May the 2nd. So these videos are posting kind of early because of our 30 video and 30 day shindig we did. Today is the day to post a video, so we need to get these uploaded. Well, let's get this all cut up, and then I will show you our little extra piece that we have to put on it. So I have these little heart resin. Purchased these for the February release thinking they would be much bigger, but they're not. They're teeny tiny, and I debated whether or not I should put something this small on a bar of soap. I mean, is it really going to do anything? Is it going to, I don't know. I'm still debating whether or not I'll leave these on here, but this is my idea of what I want it to be. So Umbridge always wore some sort of a brooch, so this kind of heart would represent her brooch, her cats for her wall of cat plates in her office, and then her dresses were pink with black stripes. So that is what I envisioned for the soap. We also have the sparkle on top, and it's scented in sugared strawberries because she comes off as being very sweet, and yet she's very sour. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will go ahead and bevel these edges, but I don't do that until the next day. But yeah, I think I might put these on here. I don't know. Like I said, I don't want them to be a choking hazard, so I'll think about it. But if I decide to do it, that is what she will look like. Or it'll be just like that. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you next time. Bye.